Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Ikaria Juice, a powerful activator of your metabolism that will help you burn fat and transform your body. Ikaria Juice is a unique blend of natural ingredients that work together to boost your metabolism, increase energy levels, and promote overall health. To begin, let's discuss the key ingredients in Ikaria Juice. The star of the show is spirulina, a nutrient-dense microalgae that is packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. Spirulina also contains chlorophyll, which is known for its powerful detoxifying properties and ability to jumpstart your metabolism. Next up is green tea extract, a fantastic source of antioxidants that help protect your body from free radical damage. Green tea also boosts your metabolism and helps boost your energy levels, making it an excellent addition to Ikaria Juice. Another essential ingredient in Ikaria Juice is pumpkin seeds, which are full of healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients help support a healthy metabolism and improve overall cardiovascular health. Finally, we have a touch of turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to jumpstart your metabolism. Turmeric also contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your body from free radical damage. In short, Ikaria Juice is a delicious and effective way to activate your metabolism and improve your overall health. The combination of spirulina, green tea extract, pumpkin seeds, and turmeric provides a powerful dose of nutrients to help you burn fat, increase energy levels, and feel your best. So why not try Ikaria Juice and experience the difference for yourself?